I'm actually going to start kind of at the end of the process, but something that Jessica indicated was critical, which is reformization, etc. And this is really meant to indicate how, from the ground up, we've really been focused in on taking Acumatica and Acumatica wanting to make certain that they deal with process manufacturers the correct way. Why am I on this physical character properties screen? Because in many cases, this is the end. Process manufacturers have to worry about two things. They have to worry about the materials, the formula, bills of material that we're going to be looking at. However, at the same time, right, in paints and chemicals, there's pigment percentage, there's viscosity, there's candium, there's lead, there's all those things. So what Acumatica wanted to do is they wanted to have a system that dealt with both sides of, to some extent, the operations of a process manufacturer. How am I going to make it? And what's those end results, right? There's SDS sheets, there's other labeling requirements that you might have, that this has to be integrated together. So if I key through here and I want to look at the percent of pigment, I could see these are the items that have an effect on the percent of pigment. If I look at lead, I now see what I am doing from a lead aspect. So you have that functionality to begin to know what you're making and what the outcome is. From a reformulation aspect, I don't want to say that this is a product development tool. It's really an informational tool, right? You have to build this form in the first place. But what this is really allowing me to do is if I'm looking at this and I have a situation, by the way, this is some standard Acumatica functionality where someone indicated that when we're making this type of product, these have to be the min and max values of that particular item. They're highlighted, so it's not in that range, but let's just say I want to put it in that range. I'm able to indicate that I want the lead to now be 1, and I'm going to tab. So suddenly this has taken a reformization. This is to say, now if in order to have this 1, what does the raw material need to be? So that's really step 1, the ability to begin to see the materials you're using, make certain that it's meeting the labeling and other requirements, and then becomes the basis for SDS sheets and other reporting that you need. And again, that ability, as Jessica indicated, to begin to reformulate things.